Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing something different. I'm over in Leeds at the moment. I'm currently over at Hainsworth Woods, that's near Leeds, and we're going to be doing some camping, wild camping to be exact. I have got, there are a few other YouTubers here, English Woodsman and Oscar Outdoors, and I'm not too sure who else is here, but them are the two I've met up tonight. So anyway, what we're going to be doing, we've got a nice tent here. I've not actually used it yet. Jackall3, it's a 3-man tent. Bought this a few months ago. I've slowly been building up my equipment, but yeah, today I've come out basically to test some equipment. I brought way too much stuff with me, but yeah, anyway, I brought the tent with me. I brought all my stuff with me for camping. I'll do some cooking. Yeah, hope you enjoy, guys. With by magic, guys, the tent will appear here. Woo! Here it is. I've got the tent set up. That's taken me quite a while actually to do. I've had to make some little adjustments here, like some more rope on here and a bit of string on each side. The ground is very solid here. So yeah, going well so far, guys. So what I'm going to do, just finish off setting up, get my bed sorted out, and yeah, we'll bring you back, guys, very soon. So guys, as you can see, I've got the tent set up. Got my little chair here and my little table. So just like you know, I've got the OEX Evolution 400 sleeping bag, and then the Trekology UL80 sleeping mat bed. Yeah, sleeping bed, inflatable bed. And I just bought a cheap pump off Amazon just to blow it up. I've got two pillows as well, which I bought out of Decathlon, for pillows for resting. We'll show you in the tent. There's not really much to see other than basically what you can see. I'll just show you a bit closer there. And yeah, so I pegged it all out, I've set it all up. The first time of doing it, so it has taken me quite some time actually, but yeah, anyway, we're going to get the firewood, and then we're going to get to making food. Ooh. What are we having tonight, I wonder? Oh yeah, just to let you know, guys, I've also got someone with me. Here she is. Trolly. My doggy. My baby. Hello, Timmy. Tim. Trolly. She's just resting out, having a moment. It's a dog life, eh? So where you see the dog at the minute, she's like in stance paws, tail down. She's watching. She is really watching. So over here, just over here, we got Oscar Outdoors and English Woodsman and some other chap with his dog. I don't know if you can see him, maybe just about. But he's got a little dog and he's wandering around, and I don't let her off the lead at all. Yeah, so I permanently keep her on the lead unless I'm in a secure field. So yeah, she's watching though. There you go, she's going down. She may bark. Timmy, oi, Trolly, no. So guys, as you can see, it's starting to go dark, so what I'm going to do, I'm just getting my firewood sorted. I'm getting some wood sorted. I've got some kindling, dead wood that I picked up around here. It's very brittle, easy to break here. So I'm just breaking it up a bit, and I'll put it in the centre of my block here. So I'll just turn the camera around slightly so you can see where I am. So yeah, in here. So I'm putting the kindling in here, and then we'll stack it. Right, now on these hardwood logs here which I've got, I'll peel some of the bark off. So this bark is very, I'll just turn the light a bit so you can see. So it's very good, this stuff, for starting fires with. Yeah. How do you done? Aye.
Everyone's lighting fires now.
Yeah. Ain't it best time?
Are you recording as well, sir?
Yeah, it's alright. Don't worry. It's fine. So I'll just finish breaking this up, guys, and I'll bring you back. So guys, as you can see, I've stacked it up like this. Now, I've not got my striker with me, so I'll have to just try and light it with the lighter. Just try and get this going. I've got a little bit here. Just going. Try and keep it burning. Try and keep it burning. Let's do it go out. I've got another method if this doesn't work. So I'll try getting more of the kindling off. I'm gonna try dropping it in there, see if it goes. It might take me a few attempts to do this. Right, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to get a bit more of this bark, which is on here, which is a bit finer. So this will hopefully burn, and once it burns, so we'll do this. We'll get the knife, and we'll get the knife out, and just try and get some of this bark off here. Cut it off like this. Yeah, and so it's this fine bit. This will really catch fire. Like this. It's quite difficult to do, but hopefully it is when you've got sore hands. We've got some more. I wouldn't mind as well, guys. I've been saving over the last week or so. I've been saving kindling off the wood, with shavings and that, and I forgot to bring it with me. So. And my fire stick as well. That's the striker. So yeah, we're resorting to using a lighter instead. just go down and get some shavings. Like this. I've got some shavings here. Like this. Just shave some more. I'll tell you. Hey. Yes, Charlie. Yes, Charlie. I know. It's fine. So I'm just pitching it off as well, as much as I can. Okay, I really do want to cook my tea over the fire, rather than doing it on the stove. I have got the stove with me if not, but yeah, I may have to do some of it on the stove, but I don't want to cook it all. I want that smoke effect. Right, we'll see if that's enough. So, let's get this. See if we can get this one. It might go. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see if this goes or not. Hopefully it does. You see that, guys? It's in. Turn the light on. Right guys, so I've got a tray here, metal tray. I'm just going to put it on top of the fire. I've got some sticks, so the flames are not directly under it, it's basically on the embers. Then I put some sticks across here, so this will warm up quite quickly. Okay, so we redid things. Yeah, the fire burned down a bit too much, so I had to start going again. Just practice, I guess. Just makes perfect. Keep doing these kind of things. Practice makes perfect. So I've got that on there. Then to the side I've got my my little stove here. And I've just got some rice in. So that's only been on a few minutes up to now. So yeah, takes about 15-20 minutes maybe. Once it starts to boil, put the lid on really, and I'll put it in the end. There we go. And once I've done that, I'll make a brew. I'll bring you back when I'm eating, guys. Look at them, guys. How nice do they look. Can't wait. And the rice has started to boil. I don't know, about another 5 minutes on that. Then, yeah, time to eat. I can't wait, I'm so hungry. Yeah, I'll get the food out as well, for the dog. The food, she's sat over there. Come here. She's over there. Thinking, we're outside tonight, what's this about? She likes camping, she likes coming camping with me. We do occasionally, here and there. So guys, from now on, I've basically set myself a goal. I'm going to do at least once a month camping. I do reviews on other stuff as well. Because the subject I normally do, which is urbex, abandoned stuff, is all very well and good, but you don't seem to get the numbers for it. The numbers on the videos are very low all the time. So I'm looking at doing camping stuff instead. Because I have watched attraction. It gets hell of a lot of traction. Because a lot of people are into camping. I think more into camping than urbex. Which is a worldwide thing. But yeah. Well, that's what we're doing. We're going forward, we're doing it at least once a month out camping. On weekend, just a Saturday, and we're going out camping. We've got the tent all set up, the light on there, ready to go in. We just need to bring a few bits and bobs in, which I got outside with my stuff in, and the bag. And, yeah, we won't be having a very late one tonight. It'll probably be about 10 o'clock maybe. What time is it now? Well, 7 o'clock. Doesn't the time fly when you're having fun? Wow. Okay, well, this is nearly done. Near enough done now, guys. Can't wait to serve it out. Now, unfortunately, I have only brought dishes with me, which I've realised afterwards, but ah well, I've got 2 bowls, one for the rice and one for the meat, I guess. Yeah, so that's something to put on my list, what I need to get, some plates. Go outdoors, of course. Okay, so we'll bring you back soon. Oh, here we are, guys. I'm just boiling a bit of water at the moment, just to make a drink with. Just a bit of salt on the rice, a bit of salt there, and we're almost good to go. Just wait for the water to finish boiling, and which is probably, yeah, it's done. Turn that on. Still got the fire burning over there, nicely. like 10 to 7 in the morning, which is not too bad actually for me. I woke up about once or twice in the night, which yeah, wasn't too bad. So I woke up because my bed went down. I don't think I put the plug in it properly. Then the and the mat, my pump, I started pumping it up and the pump went flat, so yeah, it's partially blown up and partially not, so yeah, my fault. Hey, anyway, what else? Yeah, I've got the dog here with me. She's just here at the side here, looking ever so sweet and innocent as always, aren't you, dearly? Oh, see, she's so lovely, aren't you? Eh? Oh, yeah. So I think I'm going to get up in a second, go and let her out for a wee. And that, I need to just nip to the car, grab a bit of water, and yeah, then I'll make a brew and make some breakfast. So I've got some of these little pots, horty pots. So I just boil water and put a bit of hot water into them. Oh, look at her. She's so sweet, isn't she? Look at her. Oh. Look. Butter wouldn't melt, would it? No. Ooh. My big fluff ball. She is, yeah. She's molting at the minute, so her hair's a bit messy. I'm not pulling it out. It literally will pull out, but I don't want it at the inside of my tent full of her. Of course. So I did also put this this mat here. I did also put this mat down as well last night. Just underneath my it's just a standard picnic blanket. It just shields the ground heat from escaping, kind of thing, while coming in. Obviously it gives her somewhere to lie on as well. Yeah, you was quite content outside, wasn't you, last night? But yeah, anyway, enough waffling. I think we'll get up. I'm definitely ready for something to eat. Definitely ready for something to eat and drink. And I think Mrs. here needs a wee wee, don't you? Yeah? Is that right? Yes. Her name's Timmy, by the way. Timmy. K-I-M-I-E. Timmy. Hey? Yes. That's your name, isn't it? Timmy. Yes. Yes. Just for anyone who's wondering, she is a Japanese Akita. Yeah, I did rescue her actually. I've had her just over a year. She just what date is it today? 20th of the month, I think. She turns 3. So yeah, she's lovely. She's lovely with people. She's really friendly. But other animals, she's a bit timid with. She's overprotective. So I noticed, like last night, like anyone who were coming near, walking about. She was like, oh, she was being quite protective, like last night, and every time Dan walked nearby, English Woodsman, she was barking at him. Oh well. In theory, I can't argue though, because she is doing her job. She is a dog, and they are used to protect. Although she's not a guard dog, she is a nice pet. Yeah, she is doing her job in theory, aren't you? So yeah, she was chained up anyway. Just yeah. Anyway, Jimmy, oi, Julie. Okay. Yeah, little lips. Okay, little lips. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. There you go. You give the dog your ear like that to lick. It's like a sign of like friendship. Oi, you're not chewing on that. What? No, what you doing? What you doing? Hey, what you doing? What? A what? She's going a bit crazy, ain't you? Sorry, you can't quite see that. Oh yeah, look. Hey, what you doing? Hey, what you doing? Hey, what you doing? Hey. Watch my camera, you little bugger. Yeah, okay with that, guys. I am going to get up, get ready, and I'll bring you back soon. Total morning, guys. Right to the tent. Just my hands are quite cold at the minute, so as you can probably tell behind me, I've got fire lit. I'm just boiling some water. I've got one of these for breakfast, an instant hot apple and blueberry pot. You just add water. And I've got some Options white chocolate drink. Sometimes I have tea, sometimes I have coffee, sometimes I have chocolate. I don't mind chocolate. So yeah, I've got the water on the boil. It's not too far off. I'll just show you around there, guys. You see, it's quite close to boiling point now. At the moment. When you open the pot, you pour the water in. Oh, smell the fragrance coming out of that. That's best way to do it in the morning then. My hands are bitter cold at the minute. I think that's hot enough. Just take the water off. Okay. That's warm enough. And I've written to just enough. So I've got this here. So I've got this here, which is just have to cover it over, leave it a few minutes, and I've got the chocolate behind it. Just take you back to the fire. Let you watch it. I find it very therapeutic, fire. Very nice. Just watching it burn. Feeling the heat. Isn't it? Slowly warming up. Okay guys, hope you've enjoyed this weekend. So I've done something different this weekend for you. Camping, of course. So we're going to pack up now. I've already packed up, just taking my stuff to my car, and yeah. Okay, so do smash the thumbs up, follow if you've not done already guys, check the links below, my socials. I put a LinkedIn link in the description. Do also check Dan, English Woodsman out, and Oscar Outdoors. I will link them in the description. With that guys, catch you soon. Ciao.